guys, you can buy this at Lazada, Shopee, or Xtreme, or you can go to their stores just through Metro Manila. And it is very convenient and nice. I will put the link in the description box below. And yeah, so stay tuned for more Xtreme unboxing. But anyway guys, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, comment, and peace. Hello guys, today we're back in another Xtreme unboxing. And now we're going to unbox the window type air conditioner with remote control. And now let's get started with this unboxing. And let's cut the video at the moment. And let's open the box. And there we go. It's the Aircon. And we have the booklet and or the instructions, and we have the aircon itself. We also have yung Tagaytay. And now let's see. Now here's the aircon itself. And now the features, it has fast cooling, and let's pause it for a moment. And right here we have the aircon itself. It has fast cooling, easy clean filter with timer. And the energy efficiency ratio is 10.99. And I like this aircon because you don't have to get the the aircon is very cool and very nice because you don't have to go to the aircon just to turn it on. You'll just need to turn on the aircon by using the remote. And yeah, and the remote is not yet here. And probably I will show the remote to you. And guys, we found the remote. It's under the aircon. So let's go open it. And here's the remote. And right here we got the, I don't know what it is, but I do think it's for the aircon. And we have the remote placed right here. Let's go and open it. We have the screws. And nice. We have batteries and the aircon remote itself. Let's open it. It's just like the Lego. And now, here's the remote. You'll just need to turn it on, connecting to this. Instead of going to here, just press it on or off and adjust the temperature. And we have fan speed, timer on, swing mode, timer off, and LED display. And here's the batteries that they provide us. And you can put the remote here, and you also have screws if you want to install it through walls. And guys, you can buy this at Lazada, Shopee, or Xtreme, or you can go to their stores just through Metro Manila. And it is very convenient and nice. I will put the link in the description box below. And yeah, so stay tuned for more Xtreme unboxing. But anyway guys, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, comment, and peace.